Yeah. Baby cakes, you just don't know how I like a download now.
Hey guys, it's Kelly, also on BabyCakesBeauty101, and for today's video, if you cannot tell by my smile, I got my braces off. So this video is going to be 10 things I didn't expect when I got my braces off. So I got my braces off about 10 days ago. I got my braces off and I am in love. I'm going to give you a little close up of my teeth, but not too close because my skin is really dry and I don't want to. So I'm going to cover my face with my phone. So yeah, that's basically them. So I have my list on my phone of what I want to say. So yeah, I think that's everything. So let's just hop on into this video. So the first thing I didn't expect, well, I did kind of expect it because everybody says it, but I wasn't expecting it so much, is that your teeth feel so slimy when you get your braces off. Like, so slimy. I remember, like, when I was sitting in the chair, she like snipped them all off and there was still glue and stuff on my teeth, but I was like, I'm gonna lick my teeth right now. And oh my god, it feels so disgusting, and like I'm still kind of not used to it, but like, oh my god, like when you think about it, like you usually have braces for in and around 2 years. I had mine for 1 year and 6 months, and you don't feel your teeth like for that space of time, so you forget what your teeth feel like. And oh my god, it was just so slimy. Like now it's fine, but it was like, it was just so much spit, and like because you don't have that because you have braces, it just covers your teeth. But oh my god, like it was unreal. The second thing that I didn't expect is that the whole process of getting your braces off is quite like, it's very uncomfortable and it's a little bit painful. Like when the day you're actually like getting them off. Yeah, it's like, it's not the funnest and easiest thing in the world. Like there's a lot of pressure. Like when, just think about it, these things are glued on your teeth for around 2 years and then they're just automatically like being pulled off. And it's kind of like a lot of pressure for her. Like my orthodontist was a girl, and like when she was trying to like get into them, and especially my back teeth, it was a lot of pressure. And as well, when she's like filing off the glue and filing down your teeth and stuff, I'm very spitty right now. It's like a lot of hard pressure on your teeth, and it is quite painful, and for the next few days it will be as well, but it is not as painful as getting your braces on. So this third one I had no idea about. I didn't really know much about retainers anyway, but retainers hurt. I feel like this video is very negative. The first 3 things are quite negative, but it's just things that I didn't expect. And retainers hurt. I have mine here in this case, but yeah, for the first few days they're very hard to get in and out. When she was showing me how to put them in, I could not get them out for the life of me. And I don't have a very big mouth, as she said that to me. And my orthodontist was like, I've never met anyone who couldn't take their retainers out. And I was like, you just met me, so but oh no, like they're so hard. They not now, like it's fine, I literally get my nail and just pop it out, but they were so hard to get out and they were very painful for the first few days. I couldn't wear them for as long. I have to wear mine from 6 o'clock in the evening onwards till the next morning, and I couldn't do it. I was like, no, it's too painful. So I would put them in for a few hours, take them out, put them in, and just keep doing that because it was so painful. Another thing, oh my god, this one was so good. Your teeth look so white. Like my teeth, I've always had white teeth, like all growing up, and even with my braces I always got told I have very white teeth. But when you get your braces off, it's unbelievably white. Like I didn't even realize how white they were until I was looking, but like they're so white, and it's, I don't know what it is. I think it's just that your teeth are now like shown, whereas they would have been like basically halfway covered for so long, and now you can just see the full teeth, but they just look so white and it's great. The fifth thing I didn't expect is that your teeth will feel and look like in your own head will look really big at first. Like I remember I first looked in the mirror and I hate my teeth. I actually cried. I hated my teeth. I thought they were so big and so awful, and I was like, I hate them so much. They're so big, and I also thought they were very yellow until I got home and actually inspected them, and I was like, no, they're so big, I hate them. And my sister was like, they're not big, like chill, it's just your teeth, like. And I was like, no, they're really, really big. They're not, like you get used to it. Like after the first 2 days maybe, I was completely fine. I didn't think they were big, but before that I hated my teeth, but you get used to it. Okay, this is number 6. This one, oh my god, brushing your teeth feels so weird, and it's a lot more easier. Like when you have braces, you have to go on top of the braces and like under the braces, and then you go on top of the bottom ones, under the bottom ones, or it's so much effort. But now when they're off, it's literally just like run your toothbrush around and it's done. Like you don't have to go in between everything and all that. And I find my toothbrush that I had, like, the only way you can get different toothbrush softnesses, mine was a medium and I had to get rid of it. It was like too painful for me. Not painful, it just felt weird, so I got a soft one and it feels great now. But it just feels so much like it's just really weird. I don't know how to explain it, but when you have your braces off, it's just, brushing your teeth is a weird sensation, and it's a lot easier now and not as like in depth. Number 7 is one that no one really talks about, but it's that not many people will notice that you get your braces off. Like I was expecting like everyone to notice, but like not many people notice unless I bring it up. So yeah, like don't expect this big massive thing. No one really notices. Number 8 is probably my favorite one of them all, and it's that it is such a great feeling to be able to eat any food that you want and not have to worry about food being stuck in your teeth. Like when you have braces, one main thing for me was like rice and stuff. It will get caught and I'd have to suck it out of my braces, like, which is so manky. But like it happens, and like now you literally don't have to do anything, and it's such a good feeling to be able to not have to ask like is there food in my teeth, or look and like start picking stuff out of your teeth. It's just so much easier now. Okay, so number 9, again, I knew nothing about retainers before I got my own, but number 9 is you don't realize how disgusting retainers get. So these are my retainers here. They're in this like black glittery case. Can you see the shine? It's a black glittery case. I didn't get to pick the case, it's just the case I was given, and I didn't get a permanent retainer. I wasn't given the choice for a permanent retainer. These are mine, so I'm not going to show you too in depth because they're just like, these are clean but they still look gross. Like it's just, yeah. But yeah, your retainers I can't get it back in. But yeah, your retainers get really, really manky, and if you don't clean them, they start to smell and they get all weird, and like it's just really bad. So clean your retainers and you're fine. And the last one is kind of like strange in a way, but you don't, like, I personally, I don't remember what it feels like having braces, and like they're only gone 10 days or whatever it is. Like it's less than 2 weeks and I completely forget what it feels like having braces. Like I can, for one thing I do remember is the feeling of licking, because I used to always lick my braces, like the way you lick your teeth, because I liked the feeling of it, and I licked, like that's all I remember. I don't remember any single thing else, which is kind of sad, I'm happy that I kind of documented my braces journey a little bit with the few braces videos I did do, but like other than that I just don't remember what it feels like having braces, which is good in a way because it was horrible, and it's bad in a way because, you know, like I don't know, but I honestly don't remember it, and I'm sure it's different for other people, but yes. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below. Make sure you subscribe to my vlog channel and all my social media, they're linked down below. And yes, let me know if you relate to any of these, and yeah, see you guys next time, bye!